Okay, welcome back. I want to believe we have all updated this. So you have done username, then you have done your email this way. You have done your password and your confirm password. And this confirm password, the ID must be different from ID of your password. Remember that when we're talking of ID, they have to be different things. So we have only one unique ID. So for this password, use ID of password, and when you come here you can use password 2 or password B or whatever. So in my own case I'm using password 2. Okay, having done this, so we now need to go to CSS and start styling. But before we do that, we need to link our CSS with our HTML file. So you think this is for the PC users. For the Android users, it seems I've taught you how to link it up. So now, because we have parents folder before the main folder also, so we're going to say link. Okay, link CSS. Okay, so we start with dot slash CSS, then form.css. Okay, so now we have linked our HTML with our CSS. So let's go to CSS now. So the very first thing we have to style under our CSS is our body. It seems I have it copied already. Okay, so this background color F88 FF8. So display, we say flex, then align items center, justify content center, minimum height. Though all these may not actually have effect now, but it's still going to have effect while you start styling it up, so as to not to have problem along the line. So you have to put everything in order. So margin, we put it at 0 and so on. So let's check our form. Let's check the browser and see this little impact on it. Okay, so you see now, this is our background color, and then we just brought everything to center like this. Okay, so having done that, let's add. Okay, we have started the body, so let's go to container. So remember that we have a class name called container. Where is it? We have a class name called container, and that is the class name that has everything that has to do with the form. So because it's a class, we normally style class with dots, then we say container, and then we open our curly brace and come down. So first of all, we need to declare a background color for it. So our background color, it seems I use aquamarine. So after background color, border radius, because okay, I'm supposed to let you see the one we are actually following. I didn't let it have 4 corners, so it doesn't have angle. It's not of angle 90 degree, so I make it curve a bit. So border radius, how many pixels? Let me don't know, is it 10 that I used? Then we use our width. So width, we are going to be using 400 pixel. Then maximum width, max width. So that is the content. So it's going to, we want it to be 100%. Okay. All these are not new. That is why I'm not showing them to you one after the other. You are all familiar with color, what radius does. Radius is what has to do with the edges. So width, you are not new with it. Maximum with this is just the content of it. So it's going to occupy the 100% of this maximum width. Okay, so let's come back here and refresh now. Can you see it now? Okay, so I'll see you in just a few moments. Alright, bye.